Hello, brilliant humans! Welcome back to your favorite Spanish learning experience. Today, we're doing review number 3, which means if you've been practicing with me, your brain is about to feel very proud. And if you haven't, well, sit down. We need to talk. Before we begin, if you want to speak Spanish confidently, subscribe to the channel, comment below, and share this video. And remember, one phrase a day equals fluency unlocked. Phrase number 11. Let's start with a classic human curiosity. How old are you? In Spanish, we say, ¿Cuántos años tienes? This is one of the first things people ask you. In Spanish, it literally means, how many years do you have? Let's break it down. ¿Cuántos? How many? Años, years. Tienes, you have. In Spanish, you don't say you are an age. You have years, like you're collecting them. Now say it with me. ¿Cuántos años tienes? Phrase number 12. In English, you say, I am 10 years old, right? But in Spanish, you literally say, I have 10 years. Let me show you. I'm 10 years old. In Spanish, Tengo 10 años. Repeat after me. Tengo 10 años. Because in Spanish, you don't are your age, you have it. And honestly, that makes way more sense. You do own your years, don't you? So try it. Tengo blank años. Fill in your age and comment below. Let's practice the phrase number 13. Ah, yes. The professional human question. What do you do? In Spanish, ¿a qué te dedicas? Repeat with confidence. ¿A qué te dedicas? This doesn't mean, what are you doing right now? It means, what is your job? What is your profession? Humans love asking this. Human. ¿A qué te dedicas? Me. Soy gato profesional. Perfect. You're doing amazing job. You make me purr. Phrase number 14. And now the end is near. And so I fast the final curtain. Sorry, human. That song make me purr. I'm a talking cat. My favorite sentence in any language. I'm a talking cat. Soy un gato parlante. Simple, elegant, powerful. Soy estudiante. Soy doctor. Soy famoso. Soy un gato parlante. Clearly the best option. Perfect. Phrase number 15, the last one. That's amazing. And when something blows your human mind, that's amazing. Eso es increíble. Eso es increíble. Eso es increíble. Okay, human, final review. Repeat after me. ¿Cuántos años tienes? Tengo 10 años. ¿A qué te dedicas? Soy un gato parlante. Wow, eso es increíble. Perfect. You sung like a Mexican taco guy. If you're practicing with me, you're doing amazing. But remember, something very important. Languages are not learned by watching. They are learned by repeating. One phrase a day. Every single day, no lazy human excuses. In 1 year, 365 Spanish phrases mastered. If you enjoyed this review, subscribe to the channel, comment your favorite phrase, share this video, and I'll see you in the next lesson with Dante the Talking Cat.